Zapier is one of our favorite integrations, enabling you to connect EcoSend to thousands of other CRMs, websites, apps, and other tools. To set up your Zapier integration, head to Current Project, Integrations, and the Zapier widget. From here, you can create your Zapier project key, which you can then copy into your clipboard and head over to Zapier to connect EcoSend. Once in Zapier, find EcoSend from the list of integrations, where we'll now input the Zapier project key. Click Connect New Account and paste in your key into the box. You're now successfully integrated and can select from the trigger and action options within Zapier. In this example, I'm going to create a Zap using EcoSend as a trigger when users enter my new user smart group. I want to send this data into my Pipedrive CRM to create a new lead. So having set EcoSend as the trigger, I'll now find Pipedrive and set the corresponding action to create a new lead. In this next example, I'm going to use the membership platform Circle as my trigger, and each time a new member is added into Circle, I want to create an action to create or update a profile in EcoSend. Having selected Circle as my trigger, I send through for my action to create or update a contact within EcoSend, ensuring each new member in Circle is updated into EcoSend so I can send through my campaigns. In this final example, I want to track each time a new attendee is registered on one of my events in Eventbrite. I select my Eventbrite account as my trigger and head through to EcoSend to track an event on any profiles who trigger the corresponding event. This ensures I can differentiate in my contacts in EcoSend between who has and who has not registered for my event, so I can send communications accordingly to targeted segments.